Hello, what's up, people? So, today's video is about the list of items that we are going to carry as a student. So, I'm going to make this video since there are lots of people who are going to apply for the visa, and there are some people who will be getting the visa. So, and this is the time of travel for most of the students in Italy because September is intake for the students. So, I'll be sharing all the list of items that you have to carry as a student. So, let's get into it. So I made a list of items that we have to carry, and I felt it very important. So I'm going to explain them each and everything. So initially, let's go with the documents. So you need to carry your admission letter, transcripts, degree certificates, mark sheets, IELTS, if needed. For some universities, they'll be asking about the IELTS, and some they don't ask about the IELTS. If you have an IELTS certificate, just get it with you. It will help at any time. And then your transfer certificate and international driving license if you have. If you don't have, just try to apply, or you can just come there and you can apply for 3 years or 1 year period. And then you need to definitely carry some euros and some change, because if you carry Indian rupees, they won't accept it, of course. And then UPIs will work, don't worry, but you cannot make a payment, but you can transfer the money to your parents, or parents can get your money, and then you can change the Indian money into euros by taking some help from others, or just transferring using Western Union or Wise account or something. And get a travel card, which is, for example, a Thomas Cook or an ICICI card. I use Thomas Cook personally, so I would suggest Thomas Cook. And then photographs are very important because they're expensive there, and they are not good actually. And so get a passport size photo and a stamp size photo with you. And in each and every file that you have, just put a per emergency contact number, your address, your phone number, and emergency contact your parent or someone, because if you lost something, they can actually get it for you, someone. The next one is stationery items. Stationery items, most of them will be available there, but just in case, to be sure, to not to struggle over there and get there and to buy there, get your stapler pins, Fevicol, tape, a book, scissors, paper clips, writing pad, and folders for your certificates and everything. Next item is about the medicines. So medicines are very expensive over there. My friend bought a paracetamol over there, like 10 tablets, and 10 are like 10 euros, so which is 1000 rupees. So it's better to buy something here itself and carry it with you, but make sure you carry your bill with you, so that when you carry the tablets in the airport, they may be making some issues with it. So just carry your bill so that you can explain them you bought it and it's for your purpose. So the tablets that I suggest are tablets for fever, cold, headache, painkillers, cramps, diarrhea, electoral powder if you get very sick, antacid, cough syrup, anything for dressing like crepe bandage, cotton bandage, everything. And please consult an authorized dealer, chemist, so that you'll be getting the best stuff. So the next category is necessary items, which is dresses, utensils, and daily use items. These are some of the important things that you have to carry. There is no choice about it, so just make sure you make a list of it. So coming to the dresses, get all your undergarments, shorts, skirts, inners, thermals, nightwear, track pants, bathrobe till the knee length, so it will be better when it is cold. And coming to the casuals, jeans, 3/4, kurtas, pyjamas, everything. And then formals, shirts, skirts, suit. Get a good blazer also with you, because there'll be some graduation functions and everything, so you can easily wear some professional dress so that you look better one day. And trousers, saris and essentials for girls, and gagra, salwar kurtas. And then coming for the warm clothes, get a good jacket. Black snow jacket will be very much better. because in the cold gets really cold, but you have to attend the university sometimes. So in that time, these will be very helpful. Get one or two good jackets from India, and you can actually buy there. Because in the winter season they'll be putting some offers. You'll be getting some jackets, really good jackets for very cheap rates. So I suggest you to buy the jackets there itself, but get one or two in the initial phase with you. So it will be helpful because the winter will be starting from October itself. So it will be cold when you reach there. And gloves, muffler, scarf, sweater, or any sweatshirts. Make sure to bring your towels, handkerchiefs, and every essentials. And coming to the footwear, sports shoes are very important because it's not suggested to wear uncomfortable shoes. Sports shoes will be comfortable for running and everything, because you should be aware of your surroundings all the time. And casual slippers, formal shoes, ankle and woolen socks, boots during the rains. These will be very helpful during the rains, because sometimes it just rains in the winter season for a week non-stop. So during the time, if you have to attend a university or go for an exam, which is important, these boots will be really helpful, because if you wear a non-cotton or some normal shoes, they will be getting wet and your whole day will be ruined. So it's better to carry boots with you. So the next necessary item is utensils. Utensils are very important for our survival, because we need something to cook. We cannot eat the outside food every day, because there'll be just pizzas and pastas and everything. So as Indians, we need good food, and which is cooked by us. And most of them is you need a pressure cooker and fry pan. Make sure you buy a cooking utensil with a induction base, because most of them will be induction stoves over there. So it's better to have an induction base, so it will be very better for you to use it instead of buying a normal thing. So I have seen some people who bought the normal cookers, so they have suffered a lot because of they couldn't adapt to the induction stoves, so they have to rely on someone. So it's better to buy yourself an induction base pressure cooker and a pan. And microwave vessels, dabbas for masalas, and kadai, steel kadai, but with a induction base. Spoons, forks, and everything. Spoons, forks you can actually buy out there. It's better not to waste your luggage weight on these kind of stuff, because your luggage will be limited, like 30 kgs or 25, or if you buy a 60 kg luggage or 100 kg luggage, it's different. But most of them will be traveling with a 30 kg luggage during the travel. So if you waste some essential items carrying every stuff in the luggage, you'll be carrying unnecessary stuff instead of getting the necessary and important stuff. So get some soaps, face wash, toothpaste, shampoo, your brush, and everything. These are some basic essential stuff while you travel, so you have to know these. And optional items, like for example, you need a laptop for your course, then just get it. Don't rely on buying any gadgets over there, because gadgets are very expensive over there compared to India, because it will be much expensive than India. And hard disk, calculator, travel bags. If you're a swimmer like me, just get a swimming suit also, tissues, camera, umbrella, and everything. So most of the items are available there itself. So if you want to buy something there, it's okay. But if you want to save some money, get it from India itself. Don't buy the very essential stuff like forks, spoons, or any towels or everything. Just get very important stuff, which is cooker and fry pan and a kadai, all with induction base. They are not available in Italy, but even if they are available, they are a little bit less quality. So it's better to buy over here and get them there. For example, if you want to buy spoons and forks for your use in Italy, it's not of much use in Italy, because you can buy it over there for cheap rates. So I don't suggest you to get spoons. One is enough. So if you want 10 spoons, just buy it from there. And the next item is get your pickles. Masala items are very important. Masala items you can actually buy from there itself, but the quality I have seen from the Indian spices, Indian made spices, and the other the spices that are available there is completely different. So it's better to carry the spices from there, like cinnamon, ilachi, everything. Just get the spices. There won't be any objection if you put all the masalas in your checked bags during the travel. That's the end of the video, guys. If you have any doubts, put it in the comment section so I can answer it, and make sure you subscribe. And I'll leave a link in the description for downloading the PDF. I made a list of all the items that are essential. I'll be leaving all the items in the PDF itself. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found this video informational. Thanks for watching. See you next time.